Welcome to this Part 2 demonstration of xRM4Legal, powered by Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011. So here we are looking at the Microsoft Outlook client. One of the big benefits of xRM4Legal is the ability to provide a familiar experience to our users, and that is Microsoft Outlook. The same system used every day for sending emails, creating contacts, scheduling appointments and managing tasks. For this demonstration we have a few scenarios to take you through. The first of these involves you attending an industry conference or meeting, and you would like to see what information the firm has on some of the companies or contacts that are attending, their positions, and if known to anyone else at the firm. This scenario aims to demonstrate how to search for contacts, explore existing relationships and profiles to build up information ahead of meeting a client. To do this, we will start by looking up and searching the names and other information available and to review their details. You will see from my Outlook shortcuts here that I have client organizations, contacts, leads and so forth listed. Essentially you can add any folder as a shortcut. This can be a search folder, an RSS feed, a calendar, an xRM4Legal folder, or anything else within the Outlook folder structure. No more jumping around to find the right information. One of the things that you will see here from my Outlook email is that I have xRM4Legal as a folder item that I can expand or collapse as required. Depending on how you use xRM4Legal, you will see options for case management, corporate administration and compliance, marketing and business development, and xRM4Legal for the call center. A huge time saver that simplifies the user experience is the recently visited menu. This is a listing of a user's most recently visited individual records and views. To access it, right-click on the folder and select Recently Visited from the shortcut menu. For example, here I navigate to xRM4Legal Marketing, right-click on Contacts, select Recently Visited, and Bill Gates to go directly to his record. To search for an existing company record, we click on Client Organizations and type a few characters of the company name and press Enter or click Search. We can also use the asterisk as a wildcard for partial searches. We can now open the record we want to view by double-clicking. Here you will see the exact same information presented in video 1 using the web client. When we open the company record, we will see the record is divided into tabs that we can navigate from the left-hand side. Scrolling through the form, you will see at a glance who knows Microsoft Corporation as Client Partner 1, 2 and 3. We also have the primary contact, in this example being Steve Ballmer. For the latest information served dynamically from the internet, we can click on Microsoft People, Buzz, even drill down to the latest leadership changes, new offerings and acquisitions. There are also related folders on the left-hand side for details of branches, meetings, subsidiaries, contacts, and opportunities that we are currently working on. To see office locations, just click on the branches folder. To see past activities, click on Meetings Held. To see related people information, we click on Contacts. To see any potential new matters, scroll down to the marketing section and click on Opportunities. The next scenario involves having attended a conference or networking event. We've collected some business cards that we would like to add to the firm's CRM system. You know there is also a seminar the firm is hosting next month which you think might be appropriate to invite them to. This scenario aims to establish how to check the database to see if the contact is already known to the firm adding new contacts from business cards, adding yourself as a known contact, and adding the contacts to a firm event list. We will then update existing details and or add new details of the contact. To do that, we first check the system for a contact record. Typing Bill here will display a list of available contacts. To open the record, double-click. When we open the contact record, we will see the record is divided into tabs like the company record that we can navigate from the top left-hand side. Marcoms is a popular one showing individual professional interests, publication subscribes, and memberships. These are quickly and easily configured for your firm and any specific requirements. Scrolling through the form, you will see at a glance who knows Bill Gates as client partner 1, 2, and 3. Also, there is the latest information on Bill served dynamically from the internet, from LinkedIn, Twitter, and more. There are also related folders on the left-hand side that we can access for details of activities, relationships, education, and languages. Now we want to add ourselves as a relationship connection together with any information such as how we met Bill. We navigate to the Connections folder, click on Connect to Me, select the role that applies, type in a description and save the record. Clicking the Marketing Events folder down here in the Marketing section shows that Bill has been invited to several firm events. Clicking on the People and Company lists displays the marketing lists that Bill currently appears on. To add to another list, we just click the button Add Existing People and Company List and select from the available listing. So now, after bumping into an old client, you found out there are good opportunities emerging in new areas of their business as a result of the recent changes in their general counsel. This scenario aims to establish how to record activities so we can share opportunities and general activity information on our firm contacts with colleagues, as well as aid cross-sell opportunities to others, and set reminders so that you and your PA can manage meetings and action points generally. We want to record that you met with Bill by adding an activity record. The way we do this is to click on the Activities folder. We do that from within Bill's contact record. Click on New Activity, selecting the activity type, in this case appointment. You will be guided as to the business required fields by those marked with a red asterisk. We might want to add a description of the meeting and conversation, such as met with Bill to discuss new opportunities resulting from GC changes, arranged to catch up in 6 weeks' time. Clicking the Save and Close button saves the new appointment record we have created. Now, in this particular scenario, we may also want to share this particular record with one of our colleagues. Having saved the record, we can then open the created appointment and select to share. Simply just click on Email a Link to send the colleague the details of the appointment with Bill. You will see the link has been added to the Outlook email item. We can also set a diary note or reminder to prompt us to schedule this catch-up in 2 weeks' time for a drink or lunch, etc. In this final scenario, we have written a report with relevance to Senior General Counsel to the financial institutions and want to send it to these clients. This scenario aims to establish how to create a targeted mailing event list through filtering contacts and assigning those. The first step is to set up a mailing or distribution list. To do this, we will navigate within the xRM4Legal marketing folder down to people and company lists. Here we will click on a new button give the list a description, and hit the Save button. We can then filter and add for relevant contacts. We do this by selecting marketing list members. From here, we can manage those members by either selecting individually members to add to the list, alternatively, we can click on the Advanced Find option to search by query. Once complete, we can save the list and send the required communication. This ends the demonstration.